Configure company settings, policies, localization, and system integrations centrally. Entity configuration begins in the Company Master module, the centralized source for organizational hierarchy definition. Administrative access directs navigation to the Company Master listing for entity selection. Edit mode confirms the legal entity name and enforces immutable company code controls. Visitor protocol settings define guest classifications and controlled access within the facility. System parameters activate automated email notifications and define HRMS synchronization status. Third-party configuration provisions secure authentication tokens for single sign-on integration. Language preferences establish the default localization experience for system users. Attendance settings configure the operational workweek and enforce the reporting time zone. Normalization logic applies standardized offsets for consistent cross-region timestamp reporting. Activating the entity enables immediate participation in transactional workflows. Reporting module access governs visibility of functional blocks and licensing alignment. Configuration parameters apply granular controls to daily operational workflows. This foundational setup ensures accurate data segregation and consistent policy enforcement enterprise-wide. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.